Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to explain to you guys how you can install the new theme created by Microsoft for 2022. So for installing that theme, you have to open your Microsoft Store. Once Microsoft Store opens, you have to search for Pantone color of the year 2022. You have to click on that, then you have to click on get. So it will start downloading. Once it gets download, you can click on open here. It will open your settings and you can choose the theme from here. So this purple type theme is the Pantone color of the year theme. When you move your mouse over it, it says Pantone color of the year 2022. You have to click on that and it will change your theme, as you can see. So it has changed the theme, and you can see the theme is very beautiful. It's a dark theme and it's quite beautiful. So that's how you can basically download and install the new Windows theme for 2022 by Microsoft. So if you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.